folks. So if you're just joining us, we are here at the grounds of the Capitol building here in Monrovia, Liberia, where the Supreme Court has just ruled into the case involving House Speaker Dr. Buffer Chambers and Anthony F. Williams. The court says there should be a rerun in the Old Pleebo area where there has been serious tension since the election, and the result from there was being challenged by Speaker Chambers. So the court has ruled today. That's what we told. We see a jubilant supporter here at the grounds of the Capitol building right before the official vehicle of House Speaker Dr. Buffer Chambers here. We tried to speak with the political officer in the office of Buffer Chambers, Mr. George Watkins. Mr. Watkins, can we just speak to you quickly? Mr. Watkins is a political officer in the offices of House Speaker Dr. Buffer Chambers. Welcome to Focus on Liberia and other online platforms as well as other radio stations. How are you doing this afternoon?
Well, I'm feeling very much happy in the case of what the Supreme Court. Ever since after the October elections, like the Chamber complained that the process in People Southern districts, in Maryland County was marred by fraud and dishonest actions on the part of the NC and some of the people working along. And so we pursued the matter from Maryland to Monrovia. I love the Board of Commissioners. They didn't see what the Supreme Court has seen today, and today the Supreme Court has ruled that there should be a rerun in all of the trouble spots.
Okay, where are those places? I'm aware of the Old Pleebo,
including the Camp 5, including Old Pleebo Southern and two other centers.
Okay, so what can you tell the listening audience? People are viewing you across the world. The Speaker Chambers have been condemned by many Liberians, even those from Maryland County, from the Pleebo area, that they should leave Anthony Williams alone. Today with the verdict from the Supreme Court.
What I think Liberians should try to look up to is to congratulate the Speaker for finding or seeking remedy in his case through the law. You see, the laws of the democracy is an ingredient of democracy. So the fact that the Speaker felt offended, he felt cheated, he did not take matters into his hands, he refused to have used police power. He said, no, I will pursue this matter here through the legal means. So it tells you that the law is not just for small or big, the law is just for everyone. So the Speaker felt that the process in Maryland County was conflicted, and so he took the matter up to court and he followed the law. Today, the final arbiter of justice in our jurisprudence, the Supreme Court of the Republic of Liberia, they have stated that yes, there were transgressions, there were fraud, so therefore the trouble spot should be rerun, even the elections will be conducted again. Even though so all the previous results over there are hereby cancelled and start afresh in the trouble spots in people's other district.
Even though we have not gone through the rerun, but what sort why should Liberians learn from this case? In my opinion, a case involving the Speaker of the House and another Liberian citizen that have followed the Supreme Court.
Our democracy is improving. Our democracy is the potential of democracy is swelling up. That the fact that a certain speaker of the Republic of Liberia felt offended by an ordinary citizen, he didn't go to arm twist him. He didn't attempt to arm twist the law. But he sought refuge to the rudiments of law. So it tells you that the Liberal democracy is improving, is nourishing. So anyone feel offended, go to court, seek the process of law. So we call on the people of Maryland County to remain calm. We will approach the process in Maryland County. The NEC will now set a date and time for us to return to Maryland County, wherein they're going to have the process reconducted. And so people will have to go and vote again to the trouble spots where they once voted that were marred by fraud. So that's exactly what it is. So foreign court litigation is an ingredient of democracy. So this tells you that if you feel offended, don't take matters into your own hands. Go to the law and find a seek remedy. So we want to say hats off to the Honorable Buffer Chambers, who's won the states. It's something very good. it sends a signal that he's a peaceful man, he's a man of threat, he's a man of honor, that he's taking his time, he followed all of the processes from the level of the hearing officer, at the level of the Board of Commissioner, and the Supreme Court has stepped down really into the So we're going to return to Maryland County. If we're going to get the vote, Speaker Chuma will return to the capital.
Thank you so much for speaking to us.
It's a pleasure.
Your name again?
I'm George Watkins. I'm head of political affairs and communication with the Speaker in the office of the Speaker.
That was George All right, folks, so the voice of George Watkins is the political officer and head of communication there in the office of House Speaker Jaita Buffer's Chambers. We are here at the grounds of the Capitol building where the Supreme Court of the Republic of Liberia has ruled into the Buffer Chambers was Anthony Williams' case. The court says there should be a rerun in the Old Pleebo Southern area, as well as all other parts of District Number 2 in Maryland where there was dispute. They call that troubled area, thereby dissolving or nullifying the results from the October 10, 2023 elections at those areas. We are still here. We're hoping to chat with the speaker in a few minutes from now when he comes from his office. But this is the official vehicle of the Speaker Buffer Chambers here, and this is where the vehicle is always parked. We are here. And then this is the official vehicle of Speaker Buffer Chambers here, parked right here. We're waiting to chat with him in a few minutes from now if he comes now. But those are some of his supporters. They are here jubilating, celebrating the result from the court. We're going to follow up. We're also going to speak with Anthony F. Williams to see how what does he make of the court reading? What are his confidence that whether rerun or not, the results will not change in his favor? Those are questions we're going to be asking. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for following. Do share this live video. Also invite somebody to watch along with you. Until another time for live broadcast. Thanks for being there. Bye-bye. I'm out. This is Prince Moba.